So I picked up a 460 piece nut washer and bolt assortment. This is metric sizes. There's the sizes right there. And this was, I want to say, was it $5.29 for this? And then I also picked up some number 6s, number 8s, and some quarters. This is only $3.99. Always nice to have. But for some reason there was some kind of offer or something. She asked me what I wanted. That was like a $5 value for free. So I just picked the little patchy case. So the 1800. I don't have anything this small, but I think this will be nice. So that was cool of them. I don't know why, but. And I think that's originally $12.99 for that, so that was cool. But the real reason why I went to the Harbor Freight was the Hercules 3/8, the long neck, the cordless ratchet, the 12 volt. I wanted to get the quarter, but I don't really think I need that. Not right now, but I think the 3/8 will do me just fine for now. But that is normally $119.99, and I got I don't know how, there's a 20% off discount that she gave me, probably because I go there enough. But I got the ratchet for $95.99, so that was cool. There's the RPMs. Says 40 pounds of max torque. This is a tool only. Not sure about that claim, but yeah, I picked up some batteries not too long ago with their little deal that they have. You know, you get the kit, you get $25 off, which is pretty much a free battery. So yeah, let's open this thing up. I definitely like the size of the head. It's not large at all, but it is it's a brushed motor. I want to compare it to the Milwaukee, because the new fuels, you know, those have the large heads. But yeah, it feels good in the head, on the hand, in the head. Let's get a battery on this. Alright, so this, yeah, it's pretty full. Selector does kind of protrude out quite a bit, in my opinion, but it's no big deal. Yeah, I'm liking that. But here I got the old Gen 1, the brushed motor. This is a 3/8 as well, and definitely see that the heads are very comparable. I like the recessed on the Milwaukee though. Got the switches recessed, but yeah, definitely not a huge difference except for that switch. Seems like it's just as fast, or maybe faster, for the Hercules. It does claim that it's 2.4 pounds in weight. So with the battery, because obviously that's how you're going to use it, it's 3 pounds. And let's see without the battery. Yeah, 2.4. Let's just compare it. Yeah, obviously, but this is not a long neck. Milwaukee is just under 2 pounds. But let's try to torque some stuff down and see if it'll take it off. So I just wanted to point out real quick that the body does have a rubber overmold on it, partially up, and feels good, you know? So hands get oily, feels good. It also has a an LED light on it. It's fairly decent. It'll do the job. It is a variable speed as well. And it does not have a lockout feature on the button itself, so be wary of that. If you have it in a toolbox or tool bag, it will activate. So yeah, other than that, no real complaints. Alright, so I just got a small little fastener here. And then let's see what this can do. I don't know how much it's going to hold, but we'll start off kind of low, I guess. I guess we'll start off at 20 foot-pounds. Alright, so that was 20.1. That was easy. Let's try. We'll just go up to 30. We got 30. So we got 30.5. Not sure how much more this is going to hold, but I gotta find a larger fastener. Well, that did it. But you kind of like give it that running start, and it did it. I want to see if it'll do it. It came loose. So that was 31. Yeah, it did it. Alright. Let's try. As long as it does the 40, I'll be happy. The clean. This is 35. Should just go straight to 40, but. So that was 35.6. I don't know. Let's give it the running start. And it does then. Let's just bump it up to 40 and see what happens. There's 40. Moving. 1 second. Alright, so that was 40.7. One more time. Well, it did it that time. Probably because it loosened it up trying so many times, but third time was a charm, I guess. Well, I guess it kind of did it. So, I guess somewhat successful. I'm happy with it. But, you know, like the other fasteners, you'd just be breaking them loose first and then ratcheting them off, so. Definitely a nice pickup. I like it.